Have you taken the paper square challenge? Now, how many ways can you find to alter a square piece of paper without drawing or adding materials to it? You'll want to start with a stack of paper squares, and you'll need a lot of them. Assorted bright colors are really inspirational. Your tools are scissors and a glue stick. If you'd like, you can add a few paper manipulating tools, some scissors that make a decorative edge, a hole punch, folding tools, a paper crimper, etc. Now you can set a timer and see how many ideas you come up with within a certain time frame, or just make it an ongoing project. So what can you do with a paper square? Well, you can fold it. There's accordion folds, there's horizontal folds, vertical folds, a combination of all of those folds. You can also cut it. You can fold and cut it into spiral shapes, hinged pieces, a bowl shape, even a pinwheel. You can tear it to make shapes, stripes, layered pieces, even tiny shredded pieces. You can curl it by wrapping it around to make a roll. Not just rolled pieces, they can be layered. You can create fringe, you can create rolled edges, you can also do quilling with it. You can punch it with a paper punch. This looks very nice if it's layered. There's also decorative punch holes, small holes, large holes. You can layer it into different shapes. You can twist it and make bends in it. You can weave it. You can emboss it using a texture plate or a paper crimper. So many ways to transform a paper square, and within each technique there are countless variations. Line your paper squares up on a piece of paper to display them. So how many did you make? Well, don't stop, keep on going. There's more to see and all the fun tools to try. Just visit dickblick.com.